Hey, what's up everyone? It is Matt from Earth, and oh my god, look at the snow outside today. It is going crazy. Let's check it out. And Tormund. look at him, he's got a... Tormund, hey! You got a greenie? Tormund looks normal now, everyone. Look at this snow, it is going crazy. Look at her go. Someone wants to be outside. Okay. Go have fun. It's about 5 p.m. She's home and she's okay. She's got some work to do. So she's there. Cooking off camera, but we got some turkey stuff and then oven baked butter battered buns. Got some kind of healthy, a little bit, not really, a little bit, but looks healthy on top. Delicious.
Hi Moro. Can't say she's ever been in a snowstorm before, so I'm gonna try to get her out there and see what she does and see how she reacts to it, but I can't imagine she'll be very excited out there. We'll see, but she's gotta go to the bathroom, so we'll see what she can do. Come on, Moro. Oh, snow. No. Oh. Let's go. Good girl. Wow, look at you. Wow, you're so pretty in the snow. Look at you go. Oh, taking care of business. There's Tormy. Okay, back inside. Let's go. Come on, Tormund. Woo, it is crazy out here. Yeah? Look what this lottery ticket says. I decided to buy a scratch off for the first time in forever. Whole dub. Oh my gosh. It's all over the house. Can't even see the road. The road is gone. I can't really see it from here. Okay, everyone. It is the end of the night. Look at that snow. There's so much of it. Look at this. It is the day after the blizzard. I'm gonna shovel this. I'm gonna shovel the back and the front so that Moro, Miss Moro baby, can get out because she is a little terrified of the snow right now. It might be a little too tall for her. Ooh, excuse me, Tormund. Oh man. I don't have a snowblower, we have a shovel. And one of them broke today. As you can see, that is no longer in commission. The residents of the last place actually left some stuff in the garage. We got this, whatever this is. It's a penguin with a candy cane, obviously, and a top hat. That's an ornament. And then this is a really cool, like, porcelain, Halloween, witch hat thing. Maybe dropped and died or fell off and cracked. So maybe that's why they might not have used it. But this is a little Halloween thing. It's cool. It swings its legs around. I like it. I think I'll definitely be using these. That's how tall it is. So now I can finally show you guys how tall it is. So that's my leg. On the grass. The daily food grind. Alright everyone, we're at about as good as it's gonna get. Salt or scraping in, but that's enough for now. There's so much snow, guys. It finally happened. We did finally get snow. I'm gonna take a little break, and then after that we're gonna get the back of the house for the dogs, just a little bit for them so that they can get out there. Whew! I'm exhausted. Alright, now that we've at least cleared up a little bit, now we're gonna see if Miss Moro will have a little easier time going outside. We just finished shoveling, we're a little beat. This morning is busy, holy crap. Alright, we're gonna see if we can take her outside and we're gonna see if she likes it now. Hey Tormund. Hi Mama. He wants to play. Good girl. Oh, I think she's a little scared of the taller snow. Come on, Moro. Let's go this way. Oh, she's peeing right in front of the door. So I guess we're gonna have to keep digging. I guess she's a little scared of the tall snow. She doesn't really know what to do with it yet. I kind of half expected her to. Oh look. There was like white swans or geese. Oop! Almost stepped in her pee. I almost expected her to like dive face first into the snow, but I guess not. So she's making progress. Whoa! What is your bark, girl? What's up, Mama? What? What? Look at Tormund out there. Hi, Mama. Hi, Tormund. Up. Come on, get up. Hi, Mama. Ooh. There are some deer in our backyard. Oh. That is why these dogs are mad.